Let me show you another project completed by Links Professional Services. This municipal office renovation project involved the interior renovation and reconfiguration of an existing city hall to create updated and functional office spaces. Working with an architecture firm in Autodesk Revit, our team produced a coordinated construction documentation package, including demolition plans, proposed floor plans, reflected ceiling plans, partition layouts, door schedules, enlarged plans, interior elevations, construction details, and life safety documentation. Throughout the project, we incorporated design revisions, maintained drawing accuracy, and supported the requirements for permitting and construction. Take a look at our case studies to see more of our work.